Hi there, Chris here with a product review for you all. In this video, we're going to take a look at the new Citadel paint pot holder. So right off the hop, you can see here, it is a little gray plastic thing. It's actually made of the same material as the new water cup. And I thought there was something else that was made with this similar kind of really hard kind of, it's almost like a silicone or something. I don't know, it's like a rubber. I'm not entirely sure what this is made of, but it's flexible. It's got some give, and you can see here I'm pinching it, and you know it's the same material as the new cup. And this is for everybody out there who has been knocking over their shade washes, their contrast paints, and everything. And so now there is an option, ready-made option, I should say, for everybody, because there has been options out there for people with 3D printers and things of that nature. And so, you know, there has been options out there, but now Citadel has one ready to go in line with their current line of products. And this fits their current paint pots, contrast paints, shade washes, and of course the technicals. Basically everything that they sell as far as their paint line is concerned. This is hanging on to it, and it can hold 3 bottles at a time, which makes it nice and stable. And of course, if you buy more than one, you know, you can have them arrayed onto your table and just kind of, you know, in a triangular fashion, you know, just kind of boop, 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 you know. I only have the one here, so, you know, I can only demonstrate it with one item. But as you can see, it'll take a regular paint pot and you just slap it right in there, and you can have 3 little paint pots. Oh my gosh, and they don't even have to sit in there nice and even either. You can just slam them right in and bang, they're in there. And like, you know, look at, like I'm knocking this around and these things are not going anywhere. So paint pots, contrast. So slam them right in there. Now you can, I don't know why people are, you know, leaving their paint pots open and, you know, knocking them over. But now, look at that. We can have them, I'm not going to open this, but you can have them ready to go on your table, and they're not going anywhere. And because this is kind of like a rubber, it actually adheres to a table server. It's actually pretty darn good. So there's like very little slip and slide. So this is actually pretty decent. Rather than something that was, say, for example, something that was printed of plastic, you would probably have to get like little rubberized feet for it so it didn't slide around on you. Whereas this thing is already ready to go. And of course, because it is a silicone rubber or whatever it is, vulcanized rubber, I don't know. It's durable. You can slam this thing around, throw it in your, you know, your paint bag, what have you. You don't have to worry about, you know, it getting, you know, damaged or what, you know, whatnot. But contrast paints, we'll even take shade washes and mediums and technicals. Look at that. They all fit in there, and they're all happy doodad. Look at that. Like, I can just drop this everywhere. Like, it's solid. It's solid. It's ready to go. So for everybody out there who has wanted an option for, you know, not knocking over your shade washes, and, you know, possibly even having multiple open at a time if you want, or you can even, you know, have like a little nice little workstation going. You can have one open and then, oh, I gotta turn it over and then open up another one, and oh, I gotta do another one and open it up. You know, it's whatever you make of it, and it's a nice little holder. I actually really like this product. I do recommend it for anybody out there, especially for anybody out there who is, you know, a collector of their paint lines and such, and, you know, like the products that Citadel produces. I definitely think this is worth the dollar that you'll end up spending on it. But that is it. That is my review on the new Citadel paint pot holders. I think it is definitely worth a buy. Thank you for watching, and big thank you to all my patrons who help keep this channel going. And if you're considering Patreon support, click the link in below and visit me on wayofthebrush.com. I'll see you guys later. Take care of those brushes, and they will take care of you.